I'm replacing a single pole dimmer with a Lutron Diva ELV Plus smart dimmer switch. Remove the wall plate and turn off the power to the circuit you're working on. A shock under certain conditions can be deadly. Remove the old switch and confirm the power is off with an electrical tester. The Diva Smart Switch can be wired as a single pole or three-way switch. To wire it as a single pole switch, use the black and red wires and cap off the blue wire. If you're wiring it as a three-way switch, the black wire is the common, the red and blue wires are the travelers. I'm wiring this as a single pole switch, so I'm capping off the blue wire. I'm removing the other switch so I have more room to work. Remove the old switch. This dimmer has stranded wire connected with wire nuts. If you have a ground wire, remove it also. Turn the power on and use a tester to find the line and load wire. The live wire will be the line, the dead wire is the load. This live black wire is the line. Turn the power off and check the wires with an electrical tester. This switch needs to be connected to the white neutral wires. Connect the neutral wires with a wire connector. Connect the black wire on the dimmer switch to the line wire. Connect the red wire to the load wire. If you have non-metallic cable in your electrical box with a bare ground wire, connect it to the green ground wire with a wire connector. I'm doing this project in the Chicago area where metal conduit is connected to metal boxes. There is no ground wire. When the switch is screwed into the metal box, the conduit is the ground path back to the service panel for safety. You can confirm that a metal box is grounded with a multimeter set to AC voltage. Turn the power onto the circuit, then touch one probe to the metal box and touch the other probe to a hot wire. If it's grounded, it will show 120 volts. Push your wires into the box and screw in the switch. For a single pole rocker switch, put the side marked up on top, so when you turn it on, you're pushing in on the top of the switch. To turn it off, you're pushing in on the bottom of the switch. Replace the cover, turn on the power and test the switch.